How to stream on Kick platform using OBS. So let's get started. After you register on Kick, click on this icon here and go Creator Dashboard. Then click Settings and Stream Key. Copy this link, open your OBS, go File, then Settings, and then Stream. We're gonna switch service to Custom, and then just paste here your link. Click Apply, go back on Kick, and just copy your stream key. Open OBS, paste here stream key, and click Apply. Also make sure your output is in high quality, so this should be 8000 and more, and everything is max quality. Click OK, and then just click Start Streaming. And after about 30 seconds to 1 minute, you will be live on Kick. So this is how can you do it. If it's not working, just make sure you close your OBS, open again. You can also try to create a new profile here. So you're gonna paste again your URL code and your stream key. Thank you for watching the video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you one click later.